playing with her own tail in our dish bucket. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be in there. You're not a dirty dish. What are you doing? What are you doing, Medusa? Medusa! Whoa, you trying to get me? Medusa! What are you doing? Are you having fun? No? You're not having fun? I think you are. What are you doing? Hello? Look at her butt's up in the air. You're so silly. Yeah, you are. You're so silly. Oh. What's that? Medusa? What? You were sent to make me happy. You make me smile all the time, Medusa. Oh my gosh. You can barely see her because she's black. And the tub is black. Medusa! You can see her collar though. Medusa! Medusa! I don't think you're supposed to be in this bucket. Hey, you're not supposed to be in this bucket. You're supposed to be out of the bucket. Ow! Ouch! She's taking my finger. Ouch! She's biting me. You little shit! What are you doing? Medusa! Medusa, I see you. What are you doing? What are you doing? You need to get out of the bucket? Oh, great. Now you've got reinforcements. You guys are not supposed to be up here. Oh my goodness. They're all coming. They're all coming. We got all 4 cats up here. Oh! Be nice. You guys are not supposed to be up here. You're being very bad kitty cats. But I love you anyways. Medusa! What are you doing? Medusa! What are you doing? Okay, you guys are going to have to get off now. Now I got to sanitize everything. Yep. Time to go. Bye-bye.